Hello everyone. I want to show you my planning stage before I start a piece of jewelry. Sometimes it's just in my head, but other times I need to write it down. So there's my little sketch, and now we're going to begin to make this lovely ring. Cut 3 8.8 millimeter silver plated wire, 10 centimeters long, and then another piece of wire 30 centimeters long for weaving. It's a 0.4 millimeter thin weaving wire that I'm using, and I'm just doing a simple little ladder weave, 2 and then 2 on the next one, 2 on the next one, and then work my way back. But you can use any kind of weaving stitch that you like. Often we have one that's our favorite. So use that. You're going to weave the band and make it pretty. Start your weaving 1.2 centimeters in from the end and weave until you are 1.2 centimeters from the end of the bundle. Trim your ends so that it's not scratchy. And now you're going to bend the whole ring band around your ring mandrel at the size you would like. This is a basic size 7. Give it a little tap with your hammer just to set the wires in place. And along the way through the stages, I just keep trying on the ring to make sure it's comfortable. So it looks funny for now, but you can see how it will help to make it really perfect at the end. Now we're going to bend the outside wires into a pretty little curl. This is the typical Fleur de Lis look. And on the other side, and leaving the middle wire open. So wind a pretty curl on all 4 outside wires. Try and match your curls to each other. It doesn't have to be exact, but close enough will do, and it looks really nice when it's a balanced design. And on the other side, you're going to be leaving the middle wire open as well. So all 4 are curled, and a middle wire on each side is open. You can even fit it on your finger or on a ring mandrel. Tidy up those curls. Fit it again, and then tap those curls on a metal ring mandrel so that they look nice and shiny and the wires are flared out. It just looks so much nicer this way. Make sure they're all even distances, even little curls. This is shaping up to be such a pretty little ring, and I love making rings like this. Now the next stage is, well, after trying on, is to interlock those 2 middle wires. Bend them across each other and, like 2 arms linked, wrap the one across onto the other side and make sure they have a little interlock and a tiny curl. Tap them into place, and there we have it. Isn't this just the daintiest little ring? I love the Fleur de Lis, and the Celtic look is also wonderful. Thank you for watching. Take great care of yourselves. You're very special. Bye-bye.